Let's go back to that story. A 31-year-old suspect is due to appear in the Roodepoort Magistrate's Court today in connection to Tshegofatso Pule's murder. The 28-year-old was stabbed and her body found hanging from a tree in Roodepoort last week. At the time of her murder, Pule was 8 months pregnant. Let's now cross to our colleague Thabiso Sithole. Thabiso, what can you tell us?
Well, welcome back, Desiree. Apologies for the earlier crossing. We seem to have technical problems, but we seem to have fixed those now. The police say following crime intelligence operations, the suspect was arrested on his way from Mpumalanga and is expected to appear at this court. That's, of course, being the Roodepoort Magistrate Court at around 11 a.m. So we look at the time, it's around 17 minutes past 11. So we either suspect that the suspect is already in court. If not, we should be coming through any one of these gates, as my colleague Thabiso will show you. We've been here the whole morning, Desiree, and our viewers, trying to make sure that we try and get the suspect when they do arrive at the Roodepoort Magistrates Court. There's a lot of conspiracy theories or theories on what had happened and who the suspect is. And unfortunately, until they arrive and make their first appearance, Desiree, in the court behind us, we can obviously, unfortunately, not name anyone. But we're expecting to speak to the South African Police Services immediately after the suspect appears in court, and we should have a name and we should have more clarity on exactly how they were able to track him down and how they were able to arrest him. Because remember, yesterday when we did the march for the colleagues of Tshegofatso Pule and her fellow students, the police, Kay Makumela spokesperson, said that by Friday you should have news on what is exactly happening with regards to this case, and it seems that they did not have to wait too long to get the news on that story as the silver Jeep drives through. Remember, the conspiracy theories again, Desiree, we're not saying that this is the vehicle. There were theories about a Jeep that came through to pick up Tshegofatso from the Florida Westlake complex where she was last seen alive before her untimely death, and we picked that story up on that Monday morning. Desiree?
Of course, Thabiso, questions now being asked, is it the boyfriend?
Can you repeat that, Desiree? Your line is not too clear.
All right, I'm imagining people are asking now, the immediate question is it the boyfriend that's appearing in court?
Well, that is what we cannot answer, Desiree, for now, because until we know who the suspect is, and you know how the law says you cannot name a person or reveal their identity until they appear in court, until whether they plead guilty or not guilty, until charges are formulated, so to speak. So it's a game of wait and see, as it were. Hopefully, Kay Makumela, spokesperson, provincial spokesperson of the South African Police Services, will come out to us and tell us exactly what the proceedings, on how the proceedings went on behind me here at the Roodepoort Magistrates Court. And by then, I'm sure they can then formulate the name. But as I said, there are theories. There's speak about a friend of the boyfriend. There's a lot of theories going on, and I'd rather we not delve into that until we have the facts. As you know, the SABC, we like to deal with facts first before we start throwing theories around.
Absolutely, you're correct. I suppose then it's a story whose developments we're going to have to watch. Thank you so much there, Thabiso Sithole.